PD series threaded plugs are designed for use on flared JIC fittings. PD series is available in 21 different sizes for JIC threads, starting as small as 5/16, 24 threads per inch, to 2.5, 12 threads per inch. PD series is available in both low and high-density polyethylene, also known as LDPE and HDPE. Both materials are relatively rigid, with low density providing just a little more give. LDPE can withstand temperatures from -94 degrees to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, while HDPE can resist temperatures from 0 degrees to 215 degrees Fahrenheit. PD series plugs are ideal for low-pressure requirements and can be installed with light finger tightening. PD series does not require gaskets when used on 37-degree flare fittings.